Why we use optical instrument, diffraction and interference pattern, resolution and magnifying power. It is the diffraction and resolving power of optical instrument. Optics by physics level. Fresnel half period zone. It is how we denote the wave of spectra. Explanation of rectilinear propagation of light was a big challenge to Huygens theory of light. Fresnel can explain the intensity of light at any point due to secondary waves. It is the n lambda by 2 which is nth half period zone. Phase difference is t by 2. Area is pi lambda b. Radius of wave circle is r is equals to n b lambda's half power. Diffraction. How they change with the number of slit. Wave from large number of secondary source on the wavefront superpose they form an intensity pattern known as diffraction. First, Fresnel diffraction and second, Fraunhofer diffraction. Fresnel diffraction has distance between source and obstacle are finite and distance between source and obstacle are infinite in Fraunhofer diffraction. Resultant amplitude which wave emitted from coherent source is E is equals to plus or minus E naught sine square beta by beta square where beta is n phi by 2, it is the phase E naught is Na. Is the maximum amplitude E naught is Na where n tends to infinity and A tends to 0. Double to n slit diffraction. Why only Fraunhofer, not Fresnel diffraction? There double slit or Young slit experiment has intensity I is 4I naught sine square beta by beta square cos square gamma where beta is pi by lambda b sine phi, gamma is pi by lambda d sine phi. B sine phi is equals to m lambda is condition of maximum and b sine theta is 2m plus 1 lambda by 2 is condition of maximum. Fraunhofer diffraction by n slit of parallel slits. I is equals to I naught sine square beta by beta square sine square n gamma by sine square gamma. Beta is pi d sine theta by lambda and gamma is pi d sine theta by lambda. Principal minima is theta delta theta minimum is lambda upon n d cos phi minima. In the diffraction, grating and resolving power in wave, grating are important. Grating spectra d sin phi is m lambda, d is grating element, d phi by d lambda is m by d. In the angle of deviation delta is 2d sin delta by 2 is m lambda where delta by 2 is phi is I. In the resolving power lambda upon mal delta lambda minimum distance del phi is limit of resolution and 1 upon del phi is resolving power. In Rayleigh criterion of resolution is 0.81 times the intensity of any one of two identical central maximas. In resolving power of optical instrument, resolving power are formed by resolution of light. In resolving power of grating, lambda upon delta lambda is n. Telescope has phi is 1.22 lambda by d and prism has lambda by delta lambda is t del mu by del lambda. In magnifying power of telescope, m is d by d. Relation between magnifying power and resolving power of telescope is limit of resolution for I is equal to normal magnifying power of telescope, limit of resolution of telescope, dispersive power of grating and prism is del phi by del lambda is equals to m and des by cos theta and d mu by mu minus 1. N is the order of spectra, N is total number of line on surface of grating, capital D is diameter of lens and small d is diameter of eyepiece. You are guys amazing. Thank you for watching Physics Lover.